Hi folks, just a quickie on this one. The armrest on a Rover 45, well, to be honest with you, any armrest should sit quite nicely. This one, that is not right, and I'll tell you the reason for that. The whole thing comes out. Do you see what's missing? Oh yes, beyond this backing cardboard, we're missing some screws. Somebody hasn't tightened these up in the factory and the whole thing's come off. Now getting these back on might be quite interesting. I'm going to work that out in a second. Right, so as far as I can see, all you need to do is actually slip it in and just bolt it in and then put the cardboard back in behind it, or just slip it in underneath. But that is as simple as what it gets. Literally the two bolts are cross-headed screws, so if you're having this issue, it's a bit wobbly, then it's very possible these screws have just loosened out, which is ridiculous. Oh, cheap fix, guys, cheap fix. I have actually managed to complete the job, and I've just restuck this vinyl down. I know it doesn't look the best, but the truth is it is a piece of cardboard with a piece of cheap nasty vinyl stuck onto it. That's exactly where Project Drive was going. The cheapness was getting unreal. But anyway, it's the stuff. This is the typical example of the stuff they actually cut cost on, because quite frankly, you're not going to see this when the armrest is up. So they thought, well, we'll save some pennies on that. But anyway, the brackets have been done. I've tightened up the two torque screws holding that metal piece to this armrest. That was half the issue, but now there is absolutely no movement whatsoever. You can put weight down on that and everything. Job done.